Damas y caballeros, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another fun and delicious cocktail, and it's the time for El Desahogo. Today we're going to be making this smoke roses cocktail, and please, do me a favor, stay with me. Let me show you how we do this really tasty cocktail. Okay, smoked roses, right? Production?
Right. Good.
Got it. Production is just like on top of my accents. I don't even know what else to say. But anyway, smoked roses, you guys. So today we're gonna be making this cocktail. This is actually a really nice combination of lemon juice with a little bit of hibiscus for all us Latino or Hispanoparlantes, Jamaica. And we're gonna be making the homework, which is this rose water. And that eventually we're gonna make actually a syrup of roses. So this is the one that is gonna be the challenging part. And you guys wanna see a very, very short video that I made, how do I make this thing. So basically I was actually making a really good research on how to get rose water. So happens to be that you get a bunch of rose petals, you're gonna put them in a pan. Right in the center, you're gonna put something upside down, kind of like a small pan, or maybe something else like some dish that it will give you some elevation for the actual container that is gonna capture the water. So you're gonna put water, the roses, the base, the container that is gonna catch the water, and you're gonna put this thing to boil. While it's boiling, you're gonna put a lid, but it's gonna be upside down, and you're gonna cover it with ice. What this thing is going to do is going to create a fast condensation of the water that is actually getting evaporated from the actual rose petals, and it just gets and drips inside of that container. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, it depends. I mean, how much water you want to do. For me, for my batch, I did approximately 1 cup. It took me 10 minutes. Super fast, super easy, but the results, they're amazing. The water is very perfumed with the actual rose. And got inspired because there is a really nice cafeteria by one of the neighborhoods here in San Diego, and I taste a rose latte. So you can use the water for rose latte, you can use it to make your rose simple syrup, or you surprise me, what do you use it for, okay? So, well, that being said, let's jump into business. Let's see how this thing is gonna be done. So we're gonna start using our El Desahogo Espadín. By the way, saludos para todo mi bello Veracruz. Marga, César, un saludo, chicos. This is an ounce and a half of El Desahogo Espadín. Obviously, some fresh lemon juice, always fresh, 3/4 of an ounce. And I grab it upside down. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. From a rose syrup, it's up to you guys. You can use half an ounce, or you can go, if you want to make it a little bit more sweeter, you can go for 3/4 of an ounce. Okay, we're gonna put some ice. Let's give it a good shake. Okay, perfectly chill. All right. You're supposed to get this glass chill, but just for the purposes of the video, I want to show you, and hopefully I want to be able to layer this cocktail. Let's catch all the extra ice. And please do not discard the ice. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our hibiscus tea, and we're going to use 3/4 of it, of an ounce. Put them in there, and let's just stir. We want to get this guy chill also, but also we want to get them to start touching a little bit of the syrup and the actual mezcal. Once it's really nice and chill, hopefully I'm gonna be able to lay it out. Right? Looks pretty pretty. So we can do this either way. If you get the baby pin and you have a little bit of a Jamaica or a hibiscus flower, just get it with the pin. If you happen to have a little rose petal, I think the rose petal, it will look even better. So there you have it, you guys. Smoked roses at your service. Enjoy it. Got it? Good?
What's the cocktail called?
Smoked roses.
Smoked roses?
Smoked roses. Smoked roses. Okay, rolling. Smoked roses. Right? Production?
Right.
Got it.